Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm going to have to clamp these Ferules onto there and put some epoxy in there to hold them in place. Because that's going to drive me nuts if I have to actually use the thing. To fix the problem of having this ferrule come loose all the time, I'm going to glue it in place with this 5-minute 2-part epoxy. Ferules on this clamp are very loose. This is a Craftsman clamp. So Craftsman wood gluing clamp made by sold by Sears. Opens to 8 inches. Part number is 966644. Don't know what the 666 is in there for, but it is. Made in the USA, sold by Sears Roebuck and Company, Chicago, Illinois. Craftsman used to have a reputation for being good tools. I was at K-Mart with my wife, and there sitting on the shelves were a bunch of Craftsman tools. They were abysmal. Hardly worth bothering to pick up. But to solve the ferrule problem, I'm just going to take some of this 5-minute 2-part epoxy and smear it around the handle, and that will cause the ferrule to be bonded to the handle. Now take a piece of paper towel, which I love having in the shop, and take off the excess. Trying not to get it onto my hands because it does not come off easily. There. Take my drip papers and put them in the trash, and this paper and put it in the trash, because anything that's had epoxy on it will get into your fingers eventually. Now I leave this 5-minute epoxy sit for 5 minutes to make sure that it's set up. Then I'll put it back on the rack. Inexpensive little clamp, works quite well. While I have it sitting here, I'm going to take some of this beeswax and put it onto the screw thread. That'll make them work ever so much better next time I want to use this. Handy little thing to have. If you have any suggestions for any new videos or questions about this video or any of the other videos in the series, just drop a note in the comments below. You know I read them all.